Zoop zoop. And it's Tazzie. Big up Westy on the beat. Big up yourself if you caught the 25 bars of Christmas. Here's a little freebie for yourself.
Westy
now.
on productions.
I got a perfect picture. I got a perfect view. How a family should be. Mine's like a circus crew. Just know when you fall down low, draw for the needle, it hurts us too. I wait for the phone call to hear it's curtains for you. I hate it when you fall off, blood you got a purpose too. Not one kid worse is two. Don't tell me it ain't worth it too. Before I lose my shit and break this earth in two, won't sit back and watch it kill you like some certain dudes. In the modern day world, a single parent's normal. Some get raised up properly. Others get raised up awful. Caring night and day for pay. Mum made sure we had a jawful. Dad would come and then vanish like he jumped through a portal. It didn't faze my mum, keep moving and hurdle a tall. Raised one daughter, 3 sons, strong like waves in Cornwall. I say she did a good job, even though 3 of us ain't lawful. As we go it gets deeper, way too deep for the snorkel. I got a perfect picture, I got a perfect view. Got this perfect picture, this perfect view. How a family should be. Perfect view. Perfect picture. It's been a week of bars, still going hard, no weaker bars. Dig down deep, hello deepest guys. They ain't sweet like flowers that you keep in vase. No, I dream of my daughter's face when she finally meets her dad. I tells her that the world is hers, and I never treat her bad. I won't repeat my dad in any way possible. When I get close to you, comes another obstacle. So I'm back to the start, but that's only until my cups are full. So I wish life was simple. I wish life was plain. I didn't survive on impulse or high pain in my brain. My brothers didn't do class A's. That track's for the different day. Today's all about me. AJ Peterson, fucked up person. Bring 25 beats to Mel Merkham. Raps running around my head like a turban, like an army made from Persians. You can't stop my lyrics or curb 'em. Out of fogs they'll keep on emerging. No pop band, strictly urban. It's time for the zoot and a cuppa. Now it's curtains.
Tazzie, come on.
Yes,
Good boy. Come on, then.
I hope you enjoyed that one. Merry Christmas to everybody. It's a free download, yeah?
Come on. See. Come see then.